Hello, welcome to my channel. In this math tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find the equation of a parabola, a quadratic function from its graph. If you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please do so now and ensure to hit the notification bell so that you get updated from time to time from my channel. Now, to find the equation of this parabola, especially in vertex form, two important points are to be found. The first point is the vertex. Now, the vertex of a parabola is the highest or lowest point that represents the maximum or minimum value of the quadratic function. It is also the parabola's axis of symmetry. That's a vertical line as drawn with that black line, where the vertical line, the black line, intersects the parabola. So in this case, the vertex of this parabola is at this point, which is -1 and -3. After finding the vertex, proceed to finding another point. And there are several points that we can actually make use of here. We could use this -3, 1. We could use this point, which is -2, -2. We could use 0, -2. We could also use 1, 1. Using -3, 1, and with the fact that the vertex form of a quadratic function is given as y or f of x equals to a, the leading coefficient, times x minus h squared plus k, where h, k is the vertex, such that h is -1 in this parabola and k is -3. Also, the extra point selected means that x is -3 and y or f of -3 is 1. All these values will be plugged into the vertex form of a quadratic function, which means that we're going to have 1 is equal to a times -3 for x minus h, which is -1, all squared, plus k, which happens to be -3. This is done in order to find the value of a. Simplifying further, we have 1 to be equal to a times -3 minus -1 is -2 squared minus 3. Adding 3 to 1, we've got 1 plus 3. That's adding 3 to both sides. And the square of -2 is 4. So that's 4a on the right. This means that we have 4 equals to 4a. Thus, a, the leading coefficient, is 1. Having obtained the leading coefficient, we substitute back into the vertex form in order to get the equation of the parabola. So bringing the values back with y and x as the variable, we have y or f of x to be equal to 1 times x minus h, which is -1, all squared, plus k, and k happens to be -3, so -3. And that gives us y equals to x plus 1 squared minus 3 as the equation of this parabola. So the equation of this quadratic curve is y equals to x plus 1 squared minus 3. Now let us take one more example. Here in the second parabola, the vertex is here at 1, 1. And the convenient point can be found here amongst others. That is 2, -1. Don't forget that the vertex form of a quadratic function is given as a times x minus h squared plus k, where in this h is 1, k is also 1, x is 2, and y is negative 1. So plugging these values in, we have negative 1 to be equal to a times 2 minus 1 for h squared plus 1 for k. Subtracting 1 from both sides means that we have negative 1 minus 1 on the left, and on the right it is a times 1 squared, 1 being the difference of 2 and 1. So negative 2 equals to a, as the square of 1 is 1. So the leading coefficient a is negative 2. Plugging these values, especially the vertex and a, into the vertex form, the equation of the parabola here is y equals to negative 2 times x minus 1 squared plus 1. That is, the equation is y, or f of x, equals to negative 2 times x minus 1 squared plus 1. Here is a parabola, the graph of a quadratic equation left for you. Please find its equation in the vertex form and comment with your answer, and I'll sure reply to your comments. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Click on the notification bell so that you do not miss out on any updates coming from my channel. Have a blessed day, and bye.